Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm super excited to be here because yesterday I did a video on how to make money online. This is the part 2 version, and it just got easier because you see, yesterday, GFF, Get Fearless Freedom, just released their brand new 2.0 version that you are going to absolutely love. So now GFF 2.0 is finally here after much anticipated waiting. Folks, making money online just got easier. What I pulled up here is an illustrative diagram of our 3-step sales funnel, which is very effective. And I'm going to touch on this, exactly what this consists of, and why you need to have a sales funnel that has this flow, to it. Because GFF is a complete marketing system. They afford you the opportunity and the ability to create unlimited lead capture pages, very high capture pages for any opportunity that you wish to be building, including, of course, Get Fearless Freedom. And the company hosts these pages, which redirect to a bridge page. With GFF, you can create up to 5 customizable, brandable bridge pages for any opportunity that you desire, of course, including GFF. Now, this bridge page is very, very important, and it's vital to your success, and I'm going to explain exactly, once again, why that is. Okay, first of all, it serves as a buffer between your high-converting capture page and your company's sales presentation. But what it is intended to do, which is what you need it to do, to be out there working for you, building that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your prospects. Because it's going to be taking cold leads, and through the process, through the journey, it is going to be warming them up. And then from the bridge page, they will be going and redirected to the sales presentation, which I am so excited because GFF just released their brand new 2.0 version, which includes a brand new VSL that you're going to absolutely fall in love with. It is so exciting. It is right on point, and it does a phenomenal job of explaining the business. Okay, so you absolutely want to watch that. It's just a little over 7 minutes long. I know that you are going to love it too. And then in the process, you're going to be building your number 1 asset. You just need to focus daily on driving traffic to this very page right here, okay? And building your email list. Again, your number 1 asset. Because remember, the famous coin phrase, the money's in the list, the fortune is in the follow-up. GFF has a very unique, one-of-a-kind, done-for-you email portal that nobody else out there in the industry has. You don't have to stress about writing your own emails, how to write them, what to say, how to write effective emails that actually work and actually are going to start to be able to convert a percentage of those incoming leads into buyers so that you can get yourself into profit mode and you can build a successful business for yourself in 2025 and beyond. So a follow-up series will kick in. It will go out on a regular, ongoing basis. Compliments of the Done For You email portal. That's a wonderful feature that I absolutely love that GFF offers to its members. This is the anatomy of a successful 3-step sales funnel. Having a simple yet very high converting capture page that you can completely edit, modify, adapt, and customize for any opportunity, including GFF. Likewise, you can create unlimited pages, all hosted by the company, included as part of your membership. You'll have the ability to create up to 5 of these customizable, brandable bridge pages that you're going to absolutely love. So when you opt into my page, bestincomechoice.com, you'll get to experience firsthand the flow of this 3-step sales funnel. And you're going to get to watch the brand new VSL. I know you're going to love it. I'm so excited about that. The new 2.0 has enhanced products with it that have been updated, new trainings, and more new trainings and more new products will be forthcoming in the new 2.0 version. We also kicked off our 90-day challenge. We've increased our nightly Zoom overview meetings. The next one is this evening, Monday, March 17th, starting at 7 p.m. Eastern. So all you need to do is opt into my capture page below and keep a watchful eye on your emails today, because we'll be giving you and sending out all the wonderful details, including the link and the time again to serve as a friendly reminder. Okay? So I just wanted to come in here and do a part 2 on how to make money online and let you know it just got easier with the release of the GFF 2.0 Get Fearless Freedom 2.0 version. Updated products, updated trainings, and a brand new updated VSL. You're going to love it. So with that being said, folks, I'd love to invite you to come on out this evening, 7 p.m. Eastern, to our weekly and nightly Zoom overview, where you'll get to meet the owners, the leaders, and the community. And you'll get to experience and hear some phenomenal testimonials from successful members of Get Fearless Freedom. And if you have any questions, you can get them answered. It's going to be an amazing time. And throughout the week, we've added more on our calendar. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern. The link will be the same, ourfearlessmovement.com. But keep a watchful eye on your email once you come through, and you'll be getting all the details. So thank you so much. I am so excited because making money online just got easier. We will give you everything you need inside of this amazing, complete, comprehensive marketing system. Tools, resources, softwares, trainings, and a brand new sales presentation, which I know you're going to absolutely love. And so once you come through, let me just show you exactly what this is going to look like. Ultimately, you're going to land here, and when you click here to watch this, this is the brand new presentation. So you can learn how you can start earning $200, $500, $1,000, $2,000 commissions on automation without having to speak to anybody, keeping 100% of the commissions, okay, no pass-ups. Now, we do have another wonderful feature, a 24/7 callback hotline. Here's the number, and here's my ID. Now, we do have closers. If you elect to utilize this wonderful feature that will put your business on autopilot, it is an 80-20 split, so I just wanted to share that with you. But this is everything you get inside of your membership. You can scroll down here and review everything in its entirety. We have 4 done for you digital products. Here's our 200, our 500, 1,000, and 2,000. Plus, we have some great bonuses that have just recently been added. So definitely connect with me and I will fill you in on all those wonderful details. It is bonus time, folks. It is go time. It is high ticket season. So if you have gotten or anticipating about to get very soon a tax refund, I would encourage you to give serious consideration to investing a percentage of that refund into a wonderful business, folks, that has been serving us marketers very, very well for the past 6 years. Very solid. You're going to absolutely love this business, folks. Plus, the company has these special unique bonuses. And we also have a recent replay right here that you can check out as well. Okay, so when you are ready to get started, check out all the frequently asked questions. Just click on one of these blue Join Now buttons. You will be completing a short form. Right here, you have any questions, text or call me. That's the best way to connect with me and reach me, and I'll be happy to answer all of your remaining questions that you might have about Get Fearless Freedom. So get ready, folks, because making money online just got easier. I'm so excited to let you know and announce that GFF 2.0 is finally here. See you very soon, hopefully this evening, and on the inside of the Get Fearless Freedom amazing marketing system and opportunity. Bye for now.